Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So this is a Bitcoin golden ratio multiplier, and this ratio basically tell you when the bull market start as well as when Bitcoin peak. Just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that you can earn EOS in Coinbase as well as you can earn Stellar Lumen as well. Also, Ontology, they're going to give away some ONG token. So all you have to do is to join the Telegram group. Also send a message in the Telegram group in the last 28 days in order to qualify. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So before we get into that golden ratio, let's look at the market quickly. And of course, the crypto fear and greed index is right now is all-time greed. It's at 84 compared to yesterday 83. Last week it was 84. And you can see here almost a week that we are at this top level. The last time it was at peak is like here. I think it's here. It's around a few days. But this is almost 7 days. I don't know how long this will last, seriously. So we'll see. And also another thing I want to point out is if you look at the Bitcoin market, all of them are trading Tether. So I'm a little bit concerned because if you're trading Tether, that's mean maybe they print all this Tether just to buy Bitcoin to pump the market. I'm not that sure. So this is not USD. This is, and also, you know, they have a lot of things going on. So if there's a Tether fight coming up, I don't know. But this is just FYI. I'm not saying that there's something going on, but we don't know. We never know. But it's a little bit concerning to me. It's all a Tether trading. So in terms of the long and short position, you can see the the long and short position. The gap has been narrower. Yesterday, I think it was between differences is 3K to 4K. Right now, it's just around 2K. And 26K is the long position, and 28K is the long position, short position. So the gap is getting more narrow, and also they just liquidate a whole bunch of long position. In terms of BitMEX, the long and short position, you can see Bitfinance is almost 50%. Wow, 47.52. BitMEX is 63, long position 36. Combined is almost 56, and 43 is almost 50-50. And Ethereum, of course, the long position is more 79.20. And let's look at the chart quickly. So yesterday I talked about the BTC USD short position has been building up, right? So it will be continue to pump. But then today when I see the chart, the long position also building up as well. So right now it's hard to tell, maybe a consolidation period. So before we go higher, but I could be wrong as well. In terms of the CME future contract, last Friday they closed above 10,000. So also don't forget CME future contract. Another one will be the contract. The expiration day will be coming Friday on the 28th. And let's talk about. Okay, let's talk about the golden ratio multiplier. This is a very interesting indicator actually that tell you when Bitcoin go to the bull market as well as when Bitcoin is at peak. So this is based on the 350-day. Let's see. Let me talk. Oh, this is by Philip Swift. I want to give credit to him as well. This is a pretty cool indicator. So this is based on 350-day moving average. You can see this line is 350-day moving average, and above the line. That means it's already, when it is above the line, it is a bull market. So you can see like 2012, this is a bull market, and 2013, 2014, because it's above the 350-day moving average. And also 2016 is start the bull market as well. And we already passed this line, the 350-day moving average for 2019 is already start the bull market. So remember 2011, they have a big crash, right? After the 2011, they have a big crash in 2012. And then 2013 they have a bull run cycle, and 2014, and then the end of 2014 crash again. 2015, 2016 is the bear market cycle, and then 20 2016 and then 2017 start the bull market as well, and then 2017 of course we're at the peak of 20,000, right? And then we go back to the bear market 2018, and then the first half of the 2019 the bear market cycle. Right now we already crossed the 350-day moving average, so that means we are back to the bull run. And this is based on, also they talk about the golden ratio 1.61, the Fibonacci sequence 1. This is basically 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. So I don't want to get into that detail. This is based on a mathematical model, the Fib level. So another chart shows that this is the 350-day moving average, and then the green line is times 1.6. So this serves as a support and resistance. So you can see this is a support in 2011 in here, and then you have a resistance, and then become support, and then become support, and then become a resistance, and then become resistance, finally break through the resistance, and then go, but then somehow it go back down again, and finally they break through the resistance, become support, and then the support and support, it bounce all the way back to 20,000, right? And then it break through the support level, and then it doesn't go through the resistance, it go downhill once again. And right now it already break through the resistance, the 10K. So we are in a bull market based on this indicator right now. We already start the bull run because we passed the 350-day moving average already. So remember the sequence like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. So he plot all this together in here, and so you have a 350-day. You can times 1 and times 2. Let's look at the other one. It will be more easy to see. And here, so let's go back the other one. So based on that, he came up with, because I give you a shortcut. So based on that, 350-day times 21, which is 2011 top, and then 2013 times 13. So I will show you what does it mean. So in this chart, you can see the 2011 like times 20. Where is this? Times 21 will be around $27 or $30, right? And then times 13 will be around $200. And then you have times 8 will be around 1,000, right? And then you have times 5, which is near 20,000. So the next top will be times 3. Oops, I got the wrong one. So the next one, I just show you the chart like times 21 will be 2011 top, and then times 13 will be 2013 top, times 8 will be 2014 top, times 5 will be 2018 top. So the next one, the next one will be times 3, will be the next top. So I show it to you here. This is pretty interesting. If you still remember the time travelers, they talk about by 2015 it will be 1,000. So just to refresh your memory. So this is the time travelers, right? They said 100 in 2013, 1,000 in 2015, 10,000 in 2017, 100,000 in 2019, a million in 2021. This article was published 5 years ago. And let's go back to the chart quickly. Oops. So here you can see in 2011, let's see, 2011 will be, let's see. Yeah, 2011 will be $1. This is exactly what the time traveler said, right? $1. And then in 2012, let's see, 2012, what happened to 2012? 2012, he said $10. I think it's $10. Right now it's 16, right? And then 2013 will be $100, but I think it's more than $100. It's $200. And then 2014 should be I think 2014 at the beginning of 2015. He doesn't mention 2014, 2015. He said 2015 will be 1,000. Yeah, but then it goes to the bear market. but at the end of the 2014, it was I think before it collapsed. I think 2013 is the top 1,000. So he also mentioned about 10,000 in 2017. We already passed 20,000 in 2017. So I mean that's pretty interesting. He says something like that as well. So let's go back to this. So based on this indicator, there's a practical application you can use. Instead of selling or buying based on emotion, you can use this indicator to, to do some risk management, not a financial advice. You do whatever you want. And you can see that you can take profit the first time. You can use the 350-day moving average times 2 or times 3. And then you can buy back at lower times. And then also, of course, at the top is times 350-day moving average times 3 will be at the top. So they're saying, okay, so why does price obey this level? I mean, why is that? Because of the market psychology. Remember the chart, whatever show it there, is everything is market psychology. People either over optimism or over pessimism. So this is a major driving force in the market cycle. Also, this is also the herd mentality response to the price actions. So, I mean, this is mathematical model has been using historically. Another interesting I want to point out is they will tell you when the market is at the peak. So, when the 350-day moving average times 2 cross below the 111-day moving average. So on the top is the 111-day moving average. Below is the 350-day moving average times 2. When 350-day moving, when they cross below that, that means the price is at the peak. So so this is basically accurate within 3 days. So it happens in 2013, like near the end of 2013, in the 2014 cycle as well as the 2017, the end of 2017 when Bitcoin is at 20,000, year 20,000. So that will tell you when the market is at peak, when the 350-day moving average times 2 cross below the 111-day moving average. So this is very interesting piece. I will put the link below if you want to look at it further. And another indicator when it is at the peak is easy. When the grandma want to buy Bitcoin, when the taxi driver, when your neighbor know nothing about Bitcoin, want to talk to you, want to buy a piece of it, when everybody want to buy a piece of it, it's time to get out. So another interesting thing I want to say is this is a, I talk about this, the coinmarketcap.co. So you can check it out. This is a shitcoin, whatever. I may not agree. Okay, this may be, so this is Bitcoin for sure. And this is Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bcash, EOS, and this is probably Binance, I guess. And this one I don't know. So this is a shitcoin, top 99 shitcoin and Bitcoin. I mean, I would not say Litecoin is shitcoin or like Ripple, but the Ripple thing is going to stay because Ripple is a banker's coin. So unfortunately, I mean, it's very centralized. I'm not a big fan of Ripple, but they are here to stay, unfortunately. So let me know what you think about, also, if you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can click the link below as well. That will help out my channel. So it helped me to block all this advertising, the tracker and all that. That saved my time to browse and all that. That would be pretty cool. And let me know what you think about this golden ratio multiplier. This is a very interesting piece. And instead of using your emotion, you can base on the multiplier ratio to determine when to exit the position and all that. Also, this is not just the indicator you should use. You should use some other indicator like RSI, stochastic RSI, and all that thing. But you never know. So sometimes when the market goes so emotional, everything will be go haywire anyway. So let me know what you think. Please comment below. What do you think about this Bitcoin golden ratio in the multiplier indicator? This is a pretty cool indicator. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Please comment below. I do respond to your comment, and that will help out my ranking in YouTube as well. And I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.